Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you, always be happy. So viewer, first of all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Design Ideas. Lovely viewers, thankful to you for subscribe my channel and watching all my previous videos. And also think about, I have brought it for you most gorgeous, unique and splendid wrap skirt design ideas. Wrap skirt are versatile and can be styled in numerous ways. Here are some outfit ideas. Pair a wrap skirt with a fitted graphic tee and sneakers for a relaxed yet stylish look. Add a denim jacket and some statement jewelry for extra flair. Combine a fluffy wrap skirt with a crochet crop top or off-the-shoulder blouse. Complete the look with strappy sandals, layered necklace, and a fluffy hat. Opt for a knee-length wrap skirt in a natural color and pair it with a crisp button-down shirt or a blouse. It's an amazing collection. Add classic pumps or loafers and a structured tote bag for a polished office assemble. Choose a wrap skirt with a metallic or stain finish and team it with a silky camisole or lace blouse. Finish the look with strappy heel statement earring and a clutch bag for a touch of elegance. These articles most so amazing, so stunning ideas. Style a floral or wrap skirt with a cozy knit sweater or a tucked-in oversized sweater. Complete the outfit with ankle boot or ballet flat and a crossbody bag for a relaxed yet chic brunch look. Pair a lightweight wrap skirt with a bikini top or a simple tankini for a beach ready outfit. Add a fluffy sun hat, oversized sunglasses and sandal for a laid back bohemian vibe. Today I am sharing this video wrap skirt design ideas. Combine a leather or flex leather wrap skirt with a graphic tee or a rocker inspired tank top. Finish the look with chunky boot, a motor jacket and layered choker necklace for an edgy and confident style. For those people who love wrap skirt outfit design ideas, this is very beautiful, amazing design. So dear friend, if you want to complete visiting my website pretties.com, that link in description box. And also if you want my new video, visit my YouTube channel Creation. I hope you will enjoy these amazing ideas. You can see beautiful and stunning design ideas. You know guys, different people have different choice. So guys, share the video with your friend, family who want wrap skirt outfit fashion design ideas. So guys, like my video, subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for new latest update. Be connected with me, remember me in your prayer friends. See you soon. Allah Hafiz and take care. Allah bless you.